Welcome back, guys. So for today's episode, me and my boy Tyler, we're going to be covering 30 bodyweight ab exercises for you guys to do wherever. Honestly, you're not going to need a gym to complete these. This is all bodyweight stuff. You're not going to need any additional equipment. All right, so for the first one we're going to be doing, it's going to be some flutter kicks, all right? So what we're going to be doing on this one, keeping those legs nice and straight, keeping them low to the ground, left, right, all right? So that will be the first one. Number two, we're going to be doing some crisscrosses. So for this one, guys, same concept as last one, but this time instead of doing flutters, we're going to be making some crisscrosses. Nice and low to the ground, making crisscrosses. Third, we're going to be doing some leg circles. So for this one, again, keeping those legs nice and low to the ground, making some circles, inwards and outwards, all right? So if you guys want to make them bigger too, do some bigger circles, perfect, go ahead and knock it out. So that's the third one. Number four, we will be doing some leg raises. So for this one, guys, all we're going to do, legs are going to be put together, coming all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, and all the way down. For the fifth one, we will be doing some bicycles. So on this one, we're going to be doing elbow to knee, extending those legs all the way out. All right, so that's number five. And for our sixth one, we're going to be doing some toe touches. So on this one, guys, our feet's going to be coming up. You're going to be going up and touching those toes, straight up the middle, all right? For the seventh one, we'll be doing some alternating toe touches. So again, feet are going to be up. This time, instead of going up the middle, you're going to be going to the right and to the left, to the right and to the left. All right, number eight, we're going to be doing some kick-ups. So for this one, again, a leg raise, this time kicking it up at the top. Coming down, leg raise up, kicking it up at the top. 9, we'll be doing some alternating leg raises. So for this one, legs are going to be coming up, left and right, left and right. For the 10th one, we're going to be doing some V-ups. So for this one, we're going to be bringing those legs up, coming up, touching your toes, trying to make a V, making a shape. Coming up, making a V, coming out. All right, so that's going to be the 10th one. 11, we're going to be doing some planks. So for this one, just some good old-fashioned planks, going right into it, nice and straight. Make sure our butt's not hanging up in the air. Keep ourselves nice and flat. Try to have that head up and just contain and hold. All right. For the 12th one, we're going to be doing some side planks. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to be holding ourselves up, twisting our body to the side, right there on our elbow, and staying posted the entire time. All right, that will be the 12th one. Number 13, we're going to be doing some planks with movement. So we'll be in a plank, but this one we're going to be moving to the left and to the right, taking a side step. Or if you want, you can actually go forwards and backwards. Check, take a step forward and backwards. 14, we're going to be doing some plank swivels. So for this one, you'll be on a plank again. Hips are going to be going in a rainbow motion, side to side, really engaging those obliques, dipping those hips down to the ground. And for our 15th one, we will be doing some good old-fashioned knee drivers. So we'll be in a push-up position, and we are going to be driving both knees across our body. Left leg, then right leg. The further you can drive it across your body, the better. Number 16, we're going to be doing some sit-ups, all right? So for this one, I think everyone knows how to do a sit-up, but we'll demonstrate it again. Just doing some good old-fashioned sit-ups, coming up and coming down. For 17, we'll be doing some crunches. So all we're going to be doing, coming up, making a nice simple crunch right there. All right, that's 17. 18, we'll be doing some seated knee tucks. So all we're going to be doing is sitting down, putting our hands behind our back like so, driving those knees into our chest, kicking them out. For the 19th one, we're going to be doing some sit-up twists, all right? So at the top of your sit-up, all you're going to be doing is coming up and simply twisting. Left to right, left to right. All right, maybe do about 20 of those, go back down, come back up, do it again. All right, so that will be 19. For the 20th one, we'll be doing some mountain climbers. So all we'll be doing is driving those knees in a push-up position just like so, left to right, left to right. All right, that's number 20. The 21st station, we're going to be doing some heel touches. All right, so check it out, guys. Now this one, we're going to be having our feet together. All we're going to be doing is simply coming and touching down on the sides of our heels, really dipping down and engaging those obliques. 22, we'll be doing some windshield wipers. All right, guys, so what we're going to do on this one, we're going to have our legs nice and straight. We're going to come all the way in a rainbow motion or a windshield wiper motion, side to side. Number 23, we're going to be doing some butterfly middle touches. All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing on this one, we're going to have our legs opened up like so. Hands are going to be placed on top of each other, and we're going to simply go right down the middle, all right? So that will be number 23. For number 24, we're going to be doing some lying knee tuck-in raises, all right? So what we're going to be doing is tucking in those knees, coming back down, raising it up. All right, same thing again, tucking in those knees, coming back down, raising it up. For the 25th one, we'll be doing some Russian twists. So what we're going to do, have our feet up, crisscross right there, coming out, balancing ourselves on our butt, touching from side to side. 26, we're going to be doing some frozen V holds, so check it out. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be sitting up right here, holding up our legs, balancing ourselves on our butt, and what we don't want to do is fall back on our back like this. So we're going to be balancing it right there in the middle on our butt, holding and staying glued like a shape of a V. All Alright, that will be number 26. Number 27, we're going to be doing some ab rollouts. So check it out, guys. All you're going to be needing is just a simple piece of cardboard for this one, not any actual gym equipment. So for this one, we're going to be putting it down. Hands are going to be on the piece of cardboard. We're going to simply slide out right here, coming all the way back up. Alright, so this one's pretty difficult too. So if you can't go all the way down, that's fine. Maybe just try going half the way first. Work your way up and see how much further you can get down over time. Number 28, we're going to be doing some pike ups. So again, we're going to be using the piece of cardboard. All we're going to be doing is driving those legs straight up. Try to keep them nice and straight. Don't bend your knees. Pike those legs all the way up. And for our 29th one, we're going to be doing some star ups. All right, guys. So what we're going to be doing, laying down in a position of a star. Alternating hands are going to come to the alternating leg, left and right. Left and right. And finally, for our last station, we're going to be doing some Z-ups. All right, guys, so for this one, we're going to be keeping our legs together. We're going to follow the shape of a Z all the way up and the same thing all the way down. All right, nice, slow, and under control. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for today's episode. That's all 30 bodyweight ab exercises. So make sure you guys are tapping in with your boy. Follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you guys, most importantly, hit that subscribe button. So until next time, guys, make sure we're staying positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.